The art of balancing items on the head to improve posture has been practiced for centuries, a lost art that is needed now more than ever to help correct our modern day living. Cultures around the world carry and transport goods on their head, and as a result have incredible posture and spine
So
health.
what we find on a daily basis is people's posture and spine health really taking the blunt and being at the root cause of a lot of their pains and aches. This is just leading from our modern day lifestyles, working at screens, computers and whatnot. So these problems you can relate to, from neck pain, back pain, shoulder pain, pinched nerves, even sore heads and poor concentration levels.
Many of us work from a desk and suffer from slouching and forward head posture. Vertex corrects all this. As the head adjusts the weight, it aligns itself, taking pressure off the neck and back muscles. The weighted cushion trains the body into the correct position and helps develop more awareness of your posture. Want to see your aches and pains gone while restoring your posture and spine to its natural positions.
So our purpose and drive is to really try to alleviate these problems in a natural and healthy way.
We've designed Vertex, a weighted cushion to be placed on the head that helps align the spine, improve posture and prevent slouching. Working from the head down helps the body to find its natural axis. The weight strengthens the back and neck muscles to maintain this position.
If you'd like to find out more on what Posture Prime can do for you, check us out on YouTube or on our website at postureprime.co.uk and start working on your posture today.